Hello friends, welcome to the 11th part of Hypnosis Learning Program. In the previous video, we discussed about the concept of focus and relaxation. If you haven't watched that video yet, then please make sure to watch it. In today's video, we are going to talk about suggestions and command used in hypnosis. First, we help the subject to enter the alpha state using focus and relaxation technique. After that, we used verbal deepness to take the trance even deeper. With the touch and deepening techniques, every person entered the trance state properly and at the right timing. Now the subject is completely ready to receive the suggestions. Types of suggestions. Generally, there are two types of suggestions. First, stage hypnosis suggestion. Second, clinical healing therapy suggestion. There is a major difference between both. In stage hypnosis, we sometimes need to use negative commands. In clinical therapy, we usually avoid negative commands and use more positive language. How suggestions work in stage hypnosis. Suppose we have successfully guided a person into a trance state. Now we need to check whether the hypnotic phenomena have been activated or not. For example, eye catalepsy, muscle catalepsy, anesthesia, amnesia, hallucination. All these phenomena are tested through suggestions. Structure of a suggestion. A proper hypnotic suggestion usually follow this structure. First, imagination. Second, positive suggestion. 3, negative command. For example, now imagine that the world's strongest glue has been applied to your eyes. In hypnosis, imagination becomes reality. Whatever the subject imagines, the subconscious mind begins to experience as real. That is why the subject genuinely starts feeling the sensations of the eyes sticking together. Eye lock suggestions example. Now we can give the suggestion like this. Imagine that a powerful glue has been applied over your eyes. Eyelids are completely stuck together, but staying only this is not enough. You must also give a clear command. You cannot open your eyes. Now, fundamental theory behind negative commands. There is an important theory to understand here. If you only say your eyes are stuck together, then the subconscious mind only accepts the idea that the eyes are stuck. It does not automatically understand that the person should not try to open them. That is why a negative command becomes necessary. The more you try to open your eyes, the more tightly locked they will feel. Complete eye lock script. Next time when I count to 3 and ask you to open your eyes, you will feel that your eyes are completely locked shut. The more you try to open them, the more the tightly sealed they become. This is how a proper hypnotic suggestion is delivered. Reversing previous suggestions. Now let's understand another very important point. Whenever you are about to give a new suggestion, you must first reverse the previous suggestion. For example, if you previously gave an eye lock suggestion and now want to test number forgetting, first say, next time I count to 3, your eyes will become completely normal again. Only after reversing the first suggestion, now you will completely forget the number 5. Why the reversing suggestion is important? If you do not reverse the previous suggestions, then there is a chance the person may continue experiencing its effects even after coming out of trance. This happens because the subconscious mind has deeply accepted the instruction. So always remember this golden rule. Always reverse the previous suggestion before giving the next one. Anchor and triggers in stage hypnosis. In the stage hypnosis, another interesting technique is used, anchors or triggers. For example, during this entire session, whenever I say open your eyes, you will simply open your eyes while remaining in the same trance state. And whenever I say word sleep, you will instantly return to an even deeper trance state. Testing the trigger. Then we test the trigger like this. 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes and immediately after sleep. As soon as the word sleep is spoken, the subject instantly drops back into a deeper trance. The audience believes the person is awake because their eyes are open, but in reality they are still in trance. This is often referred to as an open eye trance. Advanced stage demonstration. After this, many different demonstrations can be performed. Number forgetting, name amnesia, body stiffness, steel bar effect, taste hallucination, hot and cold suggestions, making chili taste like chocolate, and many other entertaining routines. Important rule while giving suggestions: whenever you deliver a suggestion, imagination, positive suggestion, negative command if required. This is the foundation of effective hypnotic communication. Clinical or healing therapy suggestions. Now let's talk about clinical or healing therapy. In therapy session, we usually avoid negative language. This is because the subconscious mind also processes negative word directly. For example, if you say you will not feel pain anymore, the subconscious mind first executes the word pain, converting negative language into positive. So instead, better phrasing would be you will feel very comfortable. Your body will feel relaxed and comfortable. You will move easily and naturally. With every count, you will feel more relaxed and focused. In other words, converting negative wording into positive language is much more effective in therapy work. Learning through practice. In the beginning, it is completely normal to feel confused about what to say and how to say it. To improve, read scripts, observe videos, practice regularly, improve your voice modulation. Gradually, you will naturally learn how to create powerful hypnosis scripts on your own. Conclusion. So this was our completely section on suggestion and commands. In the next part, we will learn about the awakening process. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.